In this video, I am going to show you exactly how I prepare my green smoothie and why you should do it at home yourself and not buy it from these some of these restaurants. But I'll tell you all about it right after the intro. I have all my ingredients. I have all my ingredients here. I normally love using kale, but because of this whole COVID thing, you know, this pandemic thing, kale moved from $300 bungle to $700 $1. I not buy it unless my supplier, not just a salad, please, me need kale. So this is pak choy. Pak choy. My table clean. Enough of it. So I have pak choy. I'm going to use, of course, banana. You know, banana is a staple for me. I live on banana. So this is grounded flax seed. Normally use like 1, 2, 3. This will make fit like a tablespoon. Shit. Bird cage. I'm gonna use to go to Seamoss, you know. Hold on. We can't use one of them. Anyways, me wash it. Okay, so in this here container is my Sunwarrior vanilla protein powder that's mixed with chia seed and a bag of other plant-based things. You know, I leave a description in the box below. I'm starting to ask myself already. Where you can get this Sunwarrior protein powder vanilla. You know, to buy 1 scoop. Whoa, it's Spirulina. Spirulina mixed with Chlorella. You know, them nice deep dark algae from the bottom of the ocean, and I mix it with sauce leaves. You know, gives the body a, you know, nice energetical boost. Is there such a word? Okay. So this channel, you know, Journey with Noelle. Of course, we're in the Warrior's Kitchen, you know, on this channel, Journey with Noelle, where we talk about DIY projects, health, fitness, foods, of course. And at this point, I am going to add the banana. Shucks. You know, so I should add the Seamoss before the banana. Why am I always do that? Well, let me go back to. I'm going to wash off his spoon. And I'm back. So I made a video where I showed you guys how to prepare Seamoss Gel. I'm going to leave that also in the description box below. Yo, the lime. This is... Yeah. We want to remove mucus from the body. Seamoss. The island grill. And then place a can't make green smoothie like me. As a matter of fact, so I make it yourself a bit better. I bought a green smoothie from this place near Azans, and the people take out 2 little pieces of lettuce, drop 2 slices of cucumber, drop, and then I ask me if I prefer pipe water or spring water, please. If I would prefer ice, no, I don't want the ice because I know the trick. Ma'am, if you don't put any ice in it, it'll be a little bit short. How short? You don't want to see when them say going to end up like look up. See me if you tell me I pay $550 for 2 pieces of cucumber and lettuce and water. I prefer to make my smoothies myself because look how far the greens come. I like to feel that, you know, that tartiness. I like to feel, you know, the chlorophyll running through this body. What does chlorophyll do to the body? It presents in most green vegetables, and some people take it as a health supplement. The potential benefits of chlorophyll include improving health, boosting energy, and fighting illness. Try it out. Dark green vegetables like kale, pak choy, Don't embarrass me. I generally like to use frozen. Don't be the pan. I generally like to use frozen bananas because it makes the smoothie a lot more creamier. But regular banana can do as well, unfrozen bananas. But hold on there. How can I cause this? I think I can put it in the next street. Lord God, hold on there. I don't smoke that. Yeah, you have to be careful with them now. You have to run them like 2 minutes at a time because the motor is so small it's easy to burn up. This is like my second or is it third bullet because we run it hard. You see how we stay? I done island grade and for them cup me I use. Yes. Jesus, I can smell the chlorophyll. Can you smell the greenness that is coming out of this smog? Alright. I think it burn up enough. So when I talk about thick smoothie, this is what I talk about. You can use ice, you know, if you want it to be chilled. I normally drink it at anyways. The whole time I drink it chilled is when I get it from the frozen bananas. Yeah, 1 and 2 string, one. But yeah. So I'm coming from this long walk up Mountain Spring. This will definitely replenish all that water and salt that I've burnt out, wasted, going up that treacherous hill and coming back down. You have got to try this. So if you haven't done so already, please to like, share, comment and subscribe. Get down in the comment section. Tell me how you prepare your green smoothies, what are the ingredients that you use, and of course massage that bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. And until the next time, I'll see you in the Warrior's kitchen. Godspeed. Share it all. No sir, I did not share my smoothie with you.